Okay, let's try this question here. Simplify to a single trigonometric ratio. Well, you just have to know how to do general reduction. 180 plus x is in the third quadrant. It's bending into the third quadrant, and that's why sine is negative there. And the sine of 90 minus x is the cos of x. Well, that one's pretty easy then. This is negative sine x over cos x. It's minus tan x. There's your answer. Now this one, it's got a few things you have to do. That's really the sine of 20, but it's positive. Negative 330 is 30 degrees in the first quadrant. And what you need is one of these triangles here, because it says without a calculator, so a special triangle. And it's the same as the tangent of 30 degrees there. The cos of 250 is 70 degrees past 180, but cosine's negative in that third quadrant. And there you go. So you've got that. Now the cos of 70 degrees is really the sine of 20 degrees. There should be a 2 there. It says 0 degrees. There should be a 2 there. 20 degrees. And now the sine of 20 cancels with the sine of 20. The sine of 30 degrees is 1 over root 3. And the sine of 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. It's opposite over hypotenuse. Now you tip in times. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. And 2 times 1 is 2. And this negative survives here, so it's just minus 2/3 is your answer. Now, how to do this question here? This is how I did it. We've got the sine of 28 degrees equals a, and we're supposed to turn this into, in terms of a. Well, how can I connect this and this? First, let me simplify this side. That's 76 degrees past 180. So it's the cos of 76, and it's negative. But the cos of 76 is the same as the sine of 14. Now this sine cos is getting really close. You see this 14? I'm looking over here. What if I made this 2 times 14? Then it'd be 2 times the sine of 14 times the cos of 14. Well, that's what I want this to be. That's what I want this to be. Now, what if I divided both sides by negative 2? Then I would get this exact same thing, but it would equal minus a over 2. That's what I do. I divided both sides here by negative 2, and I created exactly the same thing. So that means that minus sine 14 cos 14 must equal negative a over 2. And that's it.